Hey friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the OSTER blender. So, kind of got a good deal on this. It was $49.99 at Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Now it's $59.99. It was $79.99. So, price is fluctuating. Anyways, this has 1200 watts of power, made in Mexico. It's got dual direction spinning blades. We just needed a good blender for doing juices and whatnot. It has smart sensing technology. It has 7 speeds, including 3 programmed settings. So we have some instructions on top, little warnings, don't run underwater, stuff like that. All right, this comes with a on-the-go Smoothie Blender Cup, BPH free, I believe. Yes, sans BPA, so BPA free. A nice little cup that can go right on the blender, I believe. And that way you don't have to pour it in from the other thing. It's got a little seal on the cup here as well, so you can make your smoothie or drink and take it with you. It's kind of cool. All right. Here we have the little top that goes on. You can add things into your blender with that. Just open it up. Here, this is kind of heavy. Must be the that. So here is the top, and that little plastic previous part goes into that. Just like this, you can conveniently add stuff if you want to. Just sets in there, and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. To take it out, just turn it counterclockwise. Okay. Right, and we have the blender itself, and has the blending tips there, some instructions. Okay, so that's pretty hefty glass there. Has some markings on the side. So we have cups on this side, up to 6 cups. And then liters on this side. So let's unscrew that. All right. So here is the blade. And I'm guessing it's got a screw in there or something, because it says it'll spin opposite directions when it's going. So these look to be stainless steel. Quite sharp actually, and it's got 3 blades here. You got a bigger one and 2 smaller ones like that. Maybe the bigger one aids in like mixing, because it's kind of sharp but not super sharp. Oh, it is pretty sharp actually. There's that. So this could come off, I believe. Maybe not. I thought this popped out of there and it could be washed, but maybe not. Okay, maybe that doesn't come off of there. It has a little, looks like a locking mechanism here, possibly. Oh, probably a safety. Looks like something like that, so it won't go unless this is locked into place on the blender, would be my guess. Good idea. Okay. Now, cardboard. Here we go. The muscle of the outfit. That's it for the box. Now we have the 1200 watt motor. All nice and shiny. So the base here is nice solid metal. I like that that's not plastic, it's metal. So it's going to last a long time, and also the bottom of this is a nice metal as well. Sometimes they make stuff and they make them plastic or something, which I don't really agree with, so it will tend to wear down, especially on the part with the most torque on it. Now, that part, this is not like solid. This feels like plastic here, not solid metal, so it's maybe like a plastic wrapping or something that's painted silver. But just as long as this metal, this motor part is metal, that's good to know. All right, so as the bottom, it has 4 little rubber pads, so it's not going to slip around when you have it on your counter. And then on the front, we have our panel here of the different abilities. It's got pulse, where if you just want to run it as long as you're holding down the button, that's what pulse is for. You got on, off, and stop. Flashing light indicates ready to operate. Do not touch blades. So that's probably the little safety thing that comes into play there. On, off, and stop. I think it wouldn't stop. Off be stop anyways. You have a low, medium, and high buttons here in the middle. And then you have 3 program buttons for just the normal stuff. So first one says green and frozen smoothies. And then food chop, like salsa, and then milkshake button here. So pretty cool. Actually, we're gonna go make a smoothie right now, wash this out, and we'll show you guys that. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and the unboxing portion of the video, we'll go do a little demo and add that to the end here. I guess I don't need to tell you that because that's what I'm going to do. So we'll see you soon. All right, so we're going to go ahead and assemble this real quick. So this does come apart. It just has like a little locking seal thing there. So this goes in here like this, and then these little side rubber parts go underneath. So when you put it in, you have to make sure that they fit up underneath the side there when you put it in. And just be a little careful because the blades are kind of sharp. So once you get it around to this part, this will be one part like kind of sticking up a little bit. I like kind of just try to grab that. It's hard to get it fit in there. Maybe you can just push it in there like that. So you want to make sure all those are locked in there all the way around. Okay, so it should hold it in there. All right, take your glass part and just screw this on there. All right, I washed it out and everything. And then, so this is, it doesn't, I thought it was a thing to help the mixer doesn't turn on unless it's activated or in there, but that's not the case. This is just to keep this from unscrewing. So if this is in the way, then that one unscrews. So just make sure, let's turn past that. Just like that, and it should set in there nice and flush, just like that. Okay, so that's not gonna go anywhere. Now we have a bunch of fruits and veggies. We got spinach, we got almonds, strawberries, chia seeds, bananas, celery, all that good stuff, and some water, almonds. We're just gonna kind of dump this in here. Got cilantro, lime juice, all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, I haven't plugged this in yet, so my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. So these were frozen bananas. So once our bananas were getting a little, I don't like them too brown, but they were getting kind of brown. So we just pulled them out of the skin and put them in a bag and put them in the freezer. And that way they keep longer if you had a whole bunch of bananas that are going bad or something. Got blueberries in there too. Okay, so I think I can pour the rest of this in here, hopefully. Well, it looks like I'll be doing some cleaning afterwards. That's all right. Not the easiest bowl to pour out of. All right. Looks pretty good. Now I just need my lid here. So this part goes on, just put it down and turn it. And it fits right on there like that. Okay, we're gonna plug it in. Here we go. That's pretty solid. So it says green frozen smoothies. So we can click on. And we're gonna hit. And it should turn off automatically. So it goes one way then the other. Spins back the other way. Loud. I think it's done. So we're gonna hit the off button so that stops, and let's try it out here. So it kind of like how it kind of chopped it up at first and then it went a little crazy there. So I wonder, oh, that's cool. So we can just turn this, I think, and just pour it out the top here. It just lifts out. See how smooth our smoothie is here. Oh, wait a second. Nope, my mistake. Cannot do that. The seal goes all the way around, so. All right, so it looks pretty smooth. Yep. Get my straw out. All right, well, that's pretty good. That works pretty excellent. Not a lot of big chunks in there at all. I mean, easy to drink. Seems like pretty amazing. So, there it is. Thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. GoPro, stop recording.